When your girlfriend start overprotecting her phone, or each time a call comes in, she quickly carries it and then turn it over, or she quickly carries it and then run out of the place she's sitting with you, or she quickly gets up and go to the toilet, kitchen, or the bedroom to answer the call, or go outside where you and I are sitting to answer a call. It means, bro, he's seeing someone else. Hi, big boss here. How na dey now? Hope so na dey fine. Yes, if you don't see your girlfriend say she don't dey one kind with her phone, she dey overprotective with her phone, which means say she dey guard her phone. She no dey fit keep her phone. Anywhere she dey go, her phone dey her hand. She wan go toilet, the phone dey her hand. She wan enter kitchen, phone dey her hand. She wan enter bathroom, phone dey her hand. She wan comot, phone dey her hand. She wan go drop food for kitchen, phone dey her hand. She wan enter somewhere, phone dey her hand. She con dey guard the phone with her life. It means say there's something wey she wan make you see, and it means say she dey see somebody else. Yes, na me tell you this one. Yes, when your girlfriend don start to dey guard her phone too much, the moment wey call come, she go just run come carry the phone gbam. It means say she dey see someone else apart from you, and that one na be green light for you to know say yes, oh boy, your time is up. You need to waka go look for another babe. Na true be that. Yes, no matter how the girl dey show you love, the moment when she don dey carry her phone, dey hide am away from you, or dey put under pillow, or dey carry am waka anywhere, she no even fit keep the phone for 2 minutes. Or if phone come, she go just run before you even say, my dear, phone is ringing. She don run come carry am run comot, and she no fit answer the call for your present. It means say she dey see someone else. Yes, so guys, make una dey very very wary. No dey allow woman dey play you two to beat one. Yes, no dey allow her. She no fit. She dey craze, thunder fire papa. She can't tell me that. As a guy man, you just dey your girlfriend phone call, her phone go dey ring 20 times. She go dey carry left and right, dey carry this one, dey comot, go come back, and you no fit talk. You just keep quiet. You do Mr. Gentleman. No go pay you now. No go pay you. Yes, and e mean say she dey see somebody else. So wetin be your use wey be say you no fit talk? The moment you don say she don dey answer too many calls when you dey there, and she dey always get up go answer these calls. No, she no go answer am for where you dey. But initially when I start, she dey very confident to answer her call when you dey. But now she no fit answer her call. She go just carry call comot, or when call come in, una dey together, she go just carry am look the face front of the phone, then put the phone upside down. Wetin she dey try to hide from you? You kuma you con dey very polite. You don't need to be polite. Clear her doubt. Let her know you're not a learner. Yes, clear her doubt. Clear her doubt. So guys, the moment you see say your girlfriend don dey guard her phone, dey overprotect her phone too much. Anywhere she go, she dey carry phone waka. Anywhere she enter, she dey carry phone waka. Toilet, bathroom, kitchen, outside the house, outside the room. It means say she dey see somebody else. You get rival. Yes. And na high time you come make you know say you need to waka. So no take nonsense. No take nonsense from her. She do am, clear her doubt, correct her, call her, look babe, I know what you dey do. Okay? No try me at all. I be learner. I'm not a learner in this field. So just carry your things, waka, carry her, only for under be new babe. Simply say me say your time is up. My name is Big Boss. Until I show again.